So this is my Subaru, guys. This is the 06 I was talking about. This is what I'm doing a rebuild on. I'll show you guys right here. No motor. We got no motors. But need some cleaning to do. It's just an 06. Nothing special. It's the 2.5 non-turbo. Automatic. That's going to change eventually. But here's all the parts in the back. So this is where we're at with the motor. I ended up tearing everything apart, and I found out that rod bearing number 2 and 3 right here were spun. So that's what we got to tear apart. So I ended up, to be safe, I went with all new rods. They just come in, I think, last week. Got new rods, new crank. Got to clean everything and then reassemble it, and we can put it back in the car. The only thing I'm waiting on is heads. They're still at the machine shop. But other than that, we're ready to put it all together. Super excited. I can't wait to get this car on the road. So, update on the Subaru. We have finally got the heads back. Earlier you seen that we did the rods. The only thing I have left to do for the Subaru to get it running is I need an oil pickup tube that I haven't bought yet. Other than that, we just got the heads. The heads cost us like $400 to redo. We had a couple bent valves, and I guess there was a couple of the valves that needed lap. So, no big deal. $400 ain't too bad. I've spent more. So, we got to pick them up in the next couple days, and then we can start rocking this car back together, man. Just put the engine back together. I still got to do some more tear down. We got to do some cleaning, and then do reassembly, and then put it back in the car. Once the car's running, then we're gonna flush the differentials, we're gonna flush the transmission. I got 2 spots in the back, about like that, on the inner rockers, in the very back, in the wheel well on the inside. It's like a hole like that. I gotta patch both of those. We're actually gonna patch them the right way, where you weld new metal in. We're not gonna do that crap where you lay over and friggin' block rivet it. And then I have to do brakes and pads around, all the way around, hang the back half of the exhaust because that's rotted. And then we got like a hole like that for the driver's side quarter where the bumper rubs. Everybody knows on the Subarus, they start there. I'm going to fix that too. Then it should be good for inspection. We're good. So, but that's just an update on that. I wanted to give you guys an update on that. If you can tell, Blue is running right. In the next episode that you see with Blue, she's got more issues. It's not a big deal, but we're going to end up taking care of it. So, see you guys later.